A plane has crashed right off the boulevard at Common Avenue. It's on fire. It's not under control. There's pieces of the plane here. We're near Northeast Philly Airport. There is thick smoke and the smell of jet fuel.
And there was a big ball of fire just flew into the sky, and the whole gas station started shaking, and like little debris and stuff was flying up. I started seeing a bunch of like plane pieces, and like it just honestly like a human foot or something. It was in a shoe still, just on the side of the street.
As of right now, we have no reports on the number of fatalities. So right now we're just asking for prayers for any and everyone who may have been affected.
Tonight we also saw the best of Philly. We saw neighbor helping neighbor. We are unified in our approach to deal with this emergency.